Hello friend, this is the fresh basil I grown up, but now it's cold time, so I put it inside my house and I can still use my basil. So this is fresh basil. This much, or I'm going to do all more, and then I'm going to make a pesto. This not expensive, just like you can buy one basil package and put it in the pot, and basil grow, and you can use fresh in all Italian item, or you can make basil tea too, just like put it in the water and just boil it. You can make basil tea. I'm making pesto. So first I'm doing this fresh basil leaves from my own garden. Now I'm washing this whole basil leaves. It's inside, so it's not really bad, but I need to wash it, so I'm just washing. So this is ingredient of the homemade fresh pesto. The Parmesan cheese, pine nuts. You can use almond, pista, any other nuts, macadamia nuts, and this is the 3 cloves of garlic. Whatever amount you can put garlic as your taste, 2 clove or 1 clove or 3 clove. And this is fresh basil. I just wash and then dry it. And this, you also use the extra virgin olive oil and some salt. So first I'm going to put some all extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm going to put garlics, and now mix it up. So it's already mixed up garlic and olive oil. Now I'm going to put some the pine nuts. I'm putting from top whole. I don't have to open whole thing. This pesto, you can use any pizza, pasta, any recipe. Is fresh pesto is different than outside the store pesto. This is more fresh. So now I'm going to put my basil. Nice smell. Really good smell.
बराबर करीत पण
So now is pesto is made. I put cheese, Parmesan cheese, pine nut, salt, olive oil, garlic, and the fresh basil. It's good taste. You can use pasta, pizza, or any all kind of recipe. I hope you like my recipe. This is Ayurveda Dr. Neelam Chudadama from Life Ayurveda Wellness Center. Thank you.